Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Deutsche Bank debit card. So first we're going to go to the browser and search for Deutsche Bank. Then click on the link. So this is their official website. We're going to click on private clients, then click on private bank worldwide on the right side, then click on Germany. So it's going to direct us to a different website. So once you scroll downwards, we're going to see the debit and credit cards option. So we're going to click on go to cards. Then it's going to show us different cards depending on our preference. We're going to choose either of one and click on apply now in German. So this is their application page. So if we're not a customer, no, not yet, then we're going to click on no. So it's going to make us choose which card we're going to want. Then we're going to have to insert all this information, starting from our residential status to our reference account to our bank details. So once we're done with that, we're going to click on next. So this is how we apply for a debit card. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.